Get the best of everything all in one place with Sky Glass, the 4K smarter TV from Sky. Sky Glass uses 4K quantum dot technology to give you a crystal clear picture with vivid colours so you can enjoy more depth and accuracy. With auto low latency, you'll get smooth gaming and reduced delays when watching live sports. And you don't even need to turn this setting on as it's always happening in the background.
And the sound is impressive too, as Sky have engineered the 6 speakers set up to mimic a soundbar, giving you a complete 360-degree Dolby Atmos surround sound experience. So you'll be able to hear every detail.
Cook goes for a different corner and it's lost in by Christie!
Not only is the soundbar built in, but you don't need a satellite dish or a streaming box either. Sky Glass is the only TV with Sky and Netflix built in, giving you access to the UK's highest rated shows all in one simple subscription. Plus it collects all your shows, movies and sports all in one place here on the homepage, so that makes it easy to find what you're looking for. If you see a show or a movie that you like, you just press the plus button here on the remote and then you can add it to the family profile like this, or an individual profile. This is a smarter TV built for convenience, and what sets it apart is its voice control, which lets you search by actor, show, genre and movie using your voice. No need to go in and out of every app, you just press the microphone button and tell it what you want to see. Show me action movies. And as you can see, it pulls together results from all streaming platforms. You can also control the TV using just your voice like this. Hello Sky, turn off. If you'd like more info about this Sky Glass TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.